coffee?
With mommy?
Okay, perfect. Let's get you signed in. What's your names?
I put them in the back. Oh, there's from here. Okay.
You guys each grab your tray. Neely, you need me to hold something? You got it. I'm sure y'all got it.
Ready?
I'm gonna trust it.
And we have 3 flavors of Ramblers, or we just
It was
have
like their own little baseball kingdom or something. It was the greatest place I'd ever seen anyway.